Hi guys, it's Mr. Creeper here with another video for the second half really. Wait, why am I playing Happy Birthday? Who's the retards? That's who the retards are. Who does all the glitches? Who's made FIFA 15? Nice. Well, we've done that first bit of the video. Let's get. Come on. If you didn't watch the first video, the ref took like 6 years to actually blow a whistle. He had it in his mouth going, I'm gonna blow again, I'm gonna blow. I just do that. Yes. It's all about that. No! Oh, hell no. Oh, hell to the no. Oh, hell no. Tackle your bean. Beano. 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 Kid Texas. Kid Texas. Oh my gosh! Yes, well done.
Communication as a backboard to continually catch people offside. That's good play. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Spanish substitute coming on here.
Kid touched that. Oh man. Oh no.
Taken off the ball, is he? Can he cross? Can't touch this. Oh, look at it, push on! Oh, excellent save. That was struggling. The keeper had to move very quickly. The latest in a succession of corner kicks. Headed away.
Show off. I wish I could play football like that. Buddy.
Found Rooney. Gone for goal. Oh, how on earth did he hold on to that?
Yeah, how on earth did he? Because that's impossible. No one saves the creeper. He goes boom. You ready for lip lash?
Lost possession. Johnson.
No, get back.
Found Rooney. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. You see, it's just got a big crowd. He's offside. He was the last man when the wall was played. That run was far too blatant. He's just not going to get.
Is that retarded? No, I don't want to dance. We're all gonna die. Get over now! Shut up. We were gonna die, but some random guy just sorted it out off the street by running into it and it fell off a cliff. Oh, come on then, you wanna fight? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Killed. Running down the... He's down the first right now. Hey, he's got the ball and he kicks it up. I give up. I give up. What's Stevie Gerrard gonna do here? Kick the ball, I hope. But every time that comes on, I see the dance like this. You can't see it, that's what's funny. Oh no!
Intercepted well, he read his opponent's mind there.
He's ready for it.
Goalkeeper parries, it's still there. Has clearly picked up a knock. Touchline reporter Jeff Shreves has more. Feeling down here is that he twisted his knee when
Ooh,
turning.
who is it?
Testing out ever since.
Oh yes, it's not mine, I don't care about him.
Carrying on. This is Glenn Johnson.
Right. Noobs. West Ham 2. No, 3.
Who's on the end of this?
West Ham 3. Liverpool 1. The rest, I do not know. Sunderland lost at home to whoever they were playing.
It's a hat-trick. He's really got his eye in. Definitely finishing. Very few better finishes than hat-trick. Oh, that's a good finish. You know, he's put his forehead straight through
Oh,
that.
yeah, summer's too early, yeah, the summer's too early, yeah. Cause you can't touch me now, but you did just then.
Needed the ground to get across to it. Pressure really
Western.
building in another corner.
Donkeys.
Coolly taken.
Boom,
Headed into the
boom,
bottom corner.
boom, boom, boom.
I'm a buff baby that can dance like a man. I can shake him like Benny, I can shake him again. I'm a tough tooth baby, I can punch in your buns. Punch in your buns, I can punch on your buns. If you're an evil witch, I will punch you for fun.
Ten nil, 10-0, 10-0, 10-0. So guys, thank you for watching this video today. It was Mr. Creeper with a video on how to beat Spain 10-0. Just keep on whacking goals onto the net without stopping once. Keep on tackling and you should be able to get 10-0. Thank you for watching this video today. I'm going to leave you with a song. See you. Bye guys.